don't know where the GPS wants to go.
Why, what's it telling you?
It wants me to turn left in 500 metres.
Oh, well, there is a road there.
I've got it set for Maryborough.
Oh, okay. Well, we could go that way if you want to. Oh, that looks like it's going backwards.
That'll go back to the freeway or...
Oh, yeah.
It's alright, it'll recalculate.
Yeah.
Okay, so it added 5k's, but that's Spargo Creek Road in 9k's, probably not going there either.
No.
It just doesn't want to go this way. I don't think you'd buy any bike based on that bloody test ride route that we went today.
No.
It's fucking useless.
Yep. But what are they going to do? Like, they're stuck in the middle of a city. How are they going to get you out? But I suppose they could get on the freeway.
Jumped on the bloody freeway.
Yeah, true.
For a bit.
Yep.
Like, if I'd gone on my own, I would have. Jenny said, go out. I would have gone out to Warren Ponds.
Yep.
And then out to Ceres, and then come back in and jump onto the freeway and cut back in past where Howard used to live or somewhere there.
Yeah.
And do a bit of everything.
Yeah. But it really doesn't
out
give
the open road, because we never ride in the bloody town like that.
No.
We do this sort of ride.
That's right. And that's what you want to see. What's it compliant like at 100, 110?
Yeah.
On the road, on rough country roads. How compliant is it? How does it tip into sweepers? Does it hold a nice line?
Throttle response. I didn't like the throttle response much, but I mean, it wasn't bad for a cabled bike.
Yeah, true.
It was still quite snatchy and.
Yeah, and you're going to get your head around clutching.
Right.
With no quick shifter.
No quick shifter.
Yeah. It takes a while for your brain to reset.
Oh, I can do it. It's just not as good.
No.
But I mean, if I took my red K bike down there and traded it in, I'd still be paying 10 grand.
Yeah.
And at the moment, I would say I wouldn't swap you. I wouldn't do a direct swap.
No.
I'd do a direct swap on my K bike for an SE.
Yeah.
If you're giving me 21,000 for my SE, for my K bike.
Yeah, that's right.
I wouldn't swap it.
No, because like your K bike does everything and better.
That's right. Does it better than that bike.
Does better than that bike. So.
And I've got heated grips.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's the right type of bike for me.
Not yet.
No, you'd have to be either
10 years
quite
older.
a bit older or have a lot less experience and be moving up.
Yeah.
You know, it's something you could have maybe looked at
after
your RC390.
Oh yeah, true.
Instead of a
790.
790.
Yeah.
But I mean, we still ride performance bikes, and it's
That's
not
right.
It's not a bloody performance bike.
That's right.
So There's nothing it can do that this bike I'm riding can't do, or
Yeah,
but this can do a lot more, so
yeah,
it goes faster.
yeah. And I can't really buy a new road bike because, shit, what's better than this?
That's
Only
right.
only something cheaper. Do you know?
Yeah.
I mean.
Well, a newer one when they update it in 3 or 4 years,
Yeah, that's right.
maybe.
Yeah, but then I'll lose too much because,
Yeah,
you know, because I paid an arm and a leg for this.
yeah.
I've got to keep.
But you don't worry about that. I bought a motorsport and lost fucking $6,000 on it within 2 years.
Yeah,
So ended up I didn't like it. That's when I probably should have bought a double R.
yeah, yeah. This is this really, really rough bit. You got to pick
Yep.
your line.
Yep. So just like riding around Maryborough.
Yeah. It was. Oh, I don't know. It might be worse on the other side.
Oh, there's a big crater there.
Yeah. See what I mean?
How can you leave the road like that? That's disgraceful.
That's horrible.
Isn't it disgusting? Oh, we got signs up though,
Yeah, but
and some piles of loose bitumen.
yeah.
That's just fucking ridiculous.
Yeah.
So I want to talk about fucking road safety. That should be our priority.
That's right. Now the only problem, it's 80k all the way in now.
Is it?
Yep.
Fucking hell.
But I didn't see any. I don't think they really do much on this road. I think they make all the roads into Dalesford 80k for all the people who can't drive from there.
It's all the people coming up from Melbourne. Can't do 100.
Yeah.
I think they're flying when they're doing 80k now.
Yeah.
That Quacker did have nice pegs though. I must say
Oh,
that.
soft pegs.
Nice soft pegs. to
Yeah,
speed
because
on.
they're rubber
Yeah, the rubber top. like-
cushioned.
Yeah, like my bloody Quackers, like my old Quackers used to be.
Yeah.
They're bloody lovely.
Yeah, you get a bit spoilt with that. But
Yeah.
then again, like when you're really pushing, are they ideal?
No, they're still alright.
Yeah. But all sports bikes have metal pegs.
That's right. These are only touring bikes, aren't they?
Yeah, that's right. That's all they are.
Just touring bikes.